The Swedes are well known for their culture, music and creativity. As it turns out, they're also good at inventing some rather super things. For instance, did you know they invented GPS, the adjustable wrench, the zipper, 3-point seatbelt, the flat screen, and the computer mouse? And they even invented Celsius, to name a few. So it's no surprise that they figured out how to save a whopping 8% on fuel on their new Scania truck. I went over to Scania head office in Sweden to find out more. Scania say the 8% is compared to their current model and not some obscure, long forgotten engine that nobody knows of. So how have they achieved this? Well, starting with the new double overhead cam super engine combined with a new gearbox and axle, that helps produce the 8% in fuel saving. But what does this mean in reality? Will it produce an unresponsive slow truck that wants to hug trees instead of hauling them? Well, actually no, it's the complete opposite as it turns out, as I took to the streets of Sweden to find out for myself.
Can switch to Sweden.
There we go. No printouts, confirm, yes, okay.
Yeah.
Ready to drive, seats.
Did you drive a Scania before? You know
No.
Scania? No, first time.
Last time Scania was 2004 with a manual.
Yeah. It's good to come back. So you start the engine because we follow this truck. Yes.
Yeah.
Brake and gear for drive.
Oh, okay.
Now it's automatic.
Yeah.
And you have a gear here. You gear automatic. Gear
So
two,
that
yes.
gear's there, yeah.
So if you want to follow the gear changing.
Okay, automatic handbrake is it?
Yes, handbrake
Okay.
automatic. Yes. Now it's green. It's automatic. Just follow the truck. We have the sun with us today. So that's good.
Very bright. It's smooth.
Yeah.
Right hand side.
Yes, we are used to drive on left.
Yeah. I mean, I've driven in Spain, but that's about it really. What's the speed limit? 40?
Here,
Oh,
60.
Is 5 stars?
Yes.
Is that for you?
No, it's from yours.
Oh, is it? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
As soon as you put a new card for tachograph.
Oh, okay.
Reset to
So you
zero.
don't have to reset it. That's good. So it works very well then.
Yeah, it is very
Yeah.
strong. Yeah.
And it's not too, you know.
No. On the 5-step, step 1 and 2, we use exhaust brake.
Yeah.
50%, 100%. And very often at the last stage, we also gear down, gear changing down.
Oh, okay.
And here you will change one file to Helsingborg. See, middle.
Middle lane.
Yes.
Okay.
Having driven the standard truck, then jumping into this super, I could definitely feel the difference. Much smoother acceleration, with no loss of power. It was a pleasure to drive actually, combined with the CRB engine braking, which is very smooth and no jerkiness like you get on most trucks these days. So it was a pleasure to drive. Gentle acceleration, plenty of power combined with smooth engine braking is definitely a no-brainer, especially with the fuel saving of 8%. One thing to note that this 13 litre engine can run on diesel, HVO or FAME without any modification straight from the factory. So Scania is a company with a long history and produce some wonderful vehicles, and I think it deserves to use the super badge on this one. Is this Scania's last hurrah before the electric truck takes over, becomes a valuable option?